Looking to bring additional cargo loads for your next overlanding adventure? Hi, I'm Scott Becker with Adventure Rack Systems, and I'm here to tell you about the BakPak Bed Rack System for the Jeep JT Gladiator. The BakPak Bed Rack System is a standalone option or an expansion of the OverCab Rack System for the Jeep JT Gladiator. The BakPak Bed Rack System is a modular design that supports top loads like rooftop tents and other items like bikes, kayaks, awnings, and other accessories for your overlanding adventures. This rack system has been engineered to safely handle and maximize the space for additional cargo loads for your Jeep JT Gladiator. The ARS JT Gladiator BakPak Bed Rack System works with the factory trail rail cargo tracks and has a static load rating of up to 600 pounds. The steel tube BakPak rails provide rigid attachment to the bedside and overcab rear hoop that distributes the load forces to the areas on the bed that are engineered from the factory with additional strength built right in. The ARS BakPak rails are made of strong 2-inch 120-wall steel tubing with strength easily surpassing inferior brands that use the weaker 1-inch tubing. Our strong 2-inch steel BakPak rails are complemented with oversized CNC steel billet clamps that attach firmly to the rear hoop to provide a Goliath clamping force of over 1,600 pounds. The BakPak Bed Rack two-piece design connects together with our billet shelf locks that allows for the easiest installation. The rear and forward upright rails connect with a solid billet shelf lock connector that are fully welded into the 2-inch tubes and use industrial grade corrosion resistant hardware to ensure maximum strength. The BakPak Bed Rack is adaptable to keep whatever you need on your Jeep secured in even the most adverse conditions. ARS racks are optimized for use with built-in MOLLE panels on each side of the rear that provide even more mounting options for storage. Need cross beams? We got what you need. Mount your rooftop tent or accessories securely to your bed rack with the optional cross beams. Choose between the high-rise cross beams that provide 2 inches of additional bed clearance for maximum bed cargo capacity, or select the low-pro cross beams to minimize your Jeep's loaded center of gravity. Both cross beams utilize CAD-formed and laser-cut 1/8-inch steel channel welded to 2-inch diameter billet clamps that attach with a combined clamping force of over 3,200 pounds to the BakPak rails. The BakPak Rack System comes in our signature black texture powder coat to protect it against the elements and keep it looking good for a long time. And with our detailed instructions, you can have your BakPak Bed Rack System installed quickly and easily. And best of all, the BakPak Bed Rack System is made right here in the USA. So when you're ready to optimize your overlanding experience with a superior rack system with all of the options you need, look no further than the BakPak Bed Rack for the Jeep JT Gladiator by Adventure Rack Systems, the world's premier adventure racks for Jeeps.